Hey guys, wanna know how to change your name or in-game name in PUBG Mobile? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now, first up, simply open up your PUBG Mobile application and head towards your inventory on the bottom right here. And now once you're on the inventory, on the rightmost tab, as you can see there is a crate-like icon. Just simply select this box-like icon. And once you're in it, just scroll down until you find something known as ID. So it's important to get ID before changing your name. If you do not have it, you cannot do it. So for me right here, I have this ID card, which is also known as the rename card, which will help you rename your nickname. So select use right here. And now just type in your new nickname. And once you've done that, just simply select OK. And after that, your nickname will be successfully changed. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.